Okay, it didn't take long for Apple to get back to me, and they rejected my app. Invalid binary, it says. And I clicked around here to try to figure out what it was that they had a problem with. But they'll also send you an email, and in the email I got, it said that they identified one or more issues, and the issue was the fonts entitlement is present with the system installation, yet no fonts were detected in the app. Please remove the system installation entitlement value to make sure you include your fonts and resubmit. I was experimenting with using custom fonts in my app, and I ended up waiting. I want to do that on a later version. So here, let me show you how to fix this and resubmit to Apple. So first of all, we're making changes to the build. So I'm going to go here to General Settings up here, and I'm going to change this build number to build 2. Still version 1.0, but I'm going to call this build number 2 for now. Okay, now, so let's see. We got to figure out where the font thing is. Oh, here it is. Installed fonts. I'm going to uncheck that. They like to keep their apps pretty slim, and so if you have something checked that you're not using, make sure you uncheck it. So like as far as background services or whatever. Okay, so now that that is unchecked, I'm going to just Command B and build, just build to see if it succeeds. And it did succeed in the build. So now I'm going to select generic iOS device and go to archive. We're going to have to zip up and upload this app again. Okay, and now we've got 1.0 build version 2. I'm going to click distribute this app and run through this process again. There's that green check mark. Click done, and I think that's it for Xcode. What I would probably do at this time is I would upload this new version to Git. So Git is for backing up our code. So I'm going to commit this to Git and push a new commit just so that I have this version saved on the on github.com. Yeah, that's kind of optional for you. So now back here in the apps, let's go to all builds. See, this one's invalid. We're going to go back to our app. I'm just going to click my apps because I'm kind of lost here. So my apps, setlist supervisor. This is the app we're trying to build here. And invalid binary, it says here. So I'm going to scroll down here to where it says build. And what we want to do is we want to remove this build from it because that's the one that's broken. And then click the plus sign again. And now you see it's processing, but eventually we'll have 1.0 build number 2. And we select that there and then click done and resubmit it for review. And this process can go back and forth with Apple before they're happy with what you have submitted. So let's see if that works. Okay, I did get an email from Apple that says the build is completed processing. So let's see here. It still says it's processing here, but what you probably got to do is refresh this page. It might force you to log back in. Let's see here. Nope, still logged in. There's the build that we don't want. Remove it. Add the build that we do want is right there. Done. And save and then submit for review. You'll see now it says prepare. Click submit. Got to run through this compliance stuff again. What we want to see is waiting for review. Yep, there it is, waiting for review. Now let's see if it gets kicked back for any other reason, and otherwise we're waiting for Apple to go ahead and review it. One thing I also did was I added a link to a YouTube video of me actually operating the app. Sometimes they ask for a YouTube video. And if you want to make a YouTube video or easy video of you operating your app, you can plug your phone in and then open up QuickTime Player and then start a new movie. Selecting your phone as a device. Let me show you that really quick. So QuickTime Player, File, New, don't do new screen recording, do new movie recording. And then it's going to give you this thing, and then you can select your phone here. So right now we're looking at my email from Apple saying it's completed processing.